This week I'm going to finish the punishment I'm serving for losing 4 in a row on my live account. And this week mission is: number one, don't blow your account. Number two, make more than 250% on a $10 account before the end of the week, and martingale is allowed. With that, I only have to win 6 trade, and here are the 6 trade I took and I won, and I make the 50% on the $10 account on demo, which I'm going to be analyzing with you guys now. I took this particular trade because MACD is giving me a sign that is about to cross. Also, the second indicator also has crossed the 30% level. Also, the moving average, the candle is forming below the moving average. So I have three indicator telling me that the trend is on a downtrend. Also, when this candle was forming, this candle formed a strong candle. You can see this candle from this top did not have any wick, and when the candle is going to close at this edge, the candle did not have a wick, and it shows and tell me that this candle is very strong. And as this candle is strong, it's like finish below the consolidation of the market. So that is the main reason why I took the trade. And when I took the trade, I actually won. You see the gap, see how this candle fell. Even though this is an aggressive push down, which is going to restart, which is going to like come back, but my own point is I won this trade and it was smooth. I took this trade because this forming under moving average is on downtrend. MACD also is on downtrend. This particular indicator also is on downtrend. So when I took this trade, I took it because I saw this green candle, this small, very weak candle. And when I saw this candle, that is the reason why I took this trade. When I took the trade, the candle jumped to this place and I still managed to win this trade. So you see, I did not actually take this trade immediately. Like when I took the trade, the candle jumped. If you start practicing, you are going to understand what I mean by jump. The candle might end here and it will jump here to start another candle. So that is why I took the trade and I won. It doesn't really have anything that is complicated. I took this particular candle because I know, like, my strategy: if two green candle did not engulf one red candle, the next candle is surely going to be red candle. And if this candle formed the hammer, I won't take it. But because this candle did not form hammer, that is the reason why I took it. And you can see I won. Another candle is forming already, so I won. There is nothing implicated in this. Like, there's nothing. It's just very simple. You can still see I'm trading on downtrend. The trade is very easy. Like, this is the simplest way I can explain to you. And you see, if two green did not engulf one red, it has like 80% chance that the next candle is going to be green. And I took it. This particular trade, yeah, I decided quickly. I thought the market is ranging already, so that is the reason why I took it, because this candle actually formed the same bottom and the same top, and you can see their wick is almost at the same height. But when I took the trade, the market decided to do their thing, and I cannot be 100% right. And you can see this indicator also already crossed. This one is already moving up, so there is nothing I can do. The green candle will surely win. And moreover, this candle is they are forming double candle, like double identical candle, like continuous bullish spinning top, continuous spinning bullish top. This particular trade also I lose it, and that is the reason why I screenshotted it to show, like, I lose this trade and this trade. Now I lose two trade. The next trade I'm going to be taking, I'm going to trigger martingale, and martingale is the one that I used to recover my losses and make small profit. So I took this trade, I took this particular trade because I saw this, yeah, this candle here that I can consider it to be shooting star, yeah, small shooting star, and it doesn't have any wick. But that is where I made my mistake. I got carried away, now not really even carried away. I just took the trade thinking it's going to come down. And the mistake, one of the mistake I did is that this candle did not form stair like form. You see this candle now, it forms stair like form. You see, you can do this line like this, come like this line like this, come like this line like this, but this one did not form it. This one, if it should form it, the wick it is meant to pass this week. So assuming this candle week pass this week and I stake that the next candle is coming down, I have a probability that it's going to come down. But because the wick did not pass it, and you can even see that the candle finishes at the ending of this candle, and that is the reason why this candle, the stake I predicted did not win. It's on green. So my next stake is going to be 5, and this is the trade I place it on. I place a $5 on this particular candle that is going to come down, and you see the red candle actually won. I place this trade because after what I explained, that it should form a stair like structure. You see, when I see this continuous bullish spinning top, and yeah, I saw this what I can call small continuous spinning top or doji, and you can see at the bottom they form a stair like form. You see, you can actually make it something like, look at the arrow like this, palm, 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 palm. And probably I might find something to draw it. What I mean by the stair like form is this. So something like this, palm, 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 palm. That is what I meant by the stair like structure. And this one gave me the stair like structure. Once it gave me the stair like structure, and I already know that once I see this candle, I am like 98% sure that it's going to give me red. If it doesn't give me red, that means the week did not pass this column. The week did not pass the previous week. So I place it and I won. So add 9.65 plus 5.72. That is how I win my $15 for the day. So I won, that is 50% profit. So tomorrow I'm going to continue with the trade and see how it goes. But today I'm done. If you are new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button. By tomorrow I'm going to drop another video to update you on how much I already made, and by next week I can't wait to go back to my live account and show you the progress I already made.